What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I have a Ford Transit in for catalytic converters. Check it out. The converters are not the only problem with your Ford Transit. You have oil consumption issues, you have tune-up issues, fuel contamination issues, lack of proper maintenance issues, many of issues. But anyway, I'm just paid to fix the catalytic converters, not diagnose the car, although I will hear about it if the engine light comes back on for cat efficiency code. It also has a lean fuel system code, which is another issue that can ruin your catalytic converters, along with the fuel door missing. Your gasoline powered filler neck should not look like a diesel truck filler neck. So let's take you through what I'm doing. So what I like to do, if I'm doing a whole Y pipe assembly, is cut away what I have to cut away to gain access to everything. If I was just to do one side converter, I would just cut away one side and just do it. And I have serviced it either way. Just fix one side for customers. You know, whatever they want to pay for. Come back and pay me for the other side when the other side goes bad, whatever you want to do. So this is cut away, and then we have our trusty brand cat. Let me show you that. But then I see this, which is shiny new, and then I wonder why this is like that. It just concerns me when I see shit like this. But it is what it is. And that ABS ring is a simple fix here at Meineke Cinnaminson, without replacing the hub and the ABS ring. So let's open up the product. Oh my God, I'm dragging the box. Dragging the box. This is the rear Y pipe. It's pretty cool. This would be the passenger side cataclysmic converter. Someone mentioned in the comments section white box. Many things come in white boxes, sir, and good quality products come in white boxes. Sometimes color doesn't mean anything. Ready? Oh no, I kicked the box. So this is the passenger side. So I'll start getting the O2 sensors out, and then I'll start shredding this system here. I do believe it comes with clamps for this. I don't usually use the clamps. I'll just typically weld my sections back together, and it did come with new rear bolts for the Y pipe. I did manage to save the OEM ones. I usually don't use clamps, and if I do, I'll clamp it and then weld it, but it really doesn't make any sense to do that because welding is so much better. If you guys need Ford Transit repair, come check us out. Thanks for watching.